Hello friends, today we are going to give a brief detail about our final year project. Our project title is Indian Railway GIS Map and Geospatial Database of Indian Railway Asset. So what basically we are doing here we are making a map of Indian Railway Asset. Most probably we are using a GIS. So I would like to explain that what is GIS. GIS stands for Geographical Information System. What is the use of mostly GIS? GIS is used for capturing of data, managing, manipulating and displaying the forms of geographically referenced information. It also allows us to view, understand, question, interpret and visualize data in many ways that reveals relationship, patterns and trend in forms of many globes, reports and charts. A GIS help you answer questions and solve problems by looking at your data in a very way that is quickly understood and casually shared. GIS technology can be interpreted into any enterprise's information system framework.
Let's we move out to the about. There are many sections like about GIS, image gallery, suggestions, GIS scope, contact us, and GIS map layers. There are lots of sections, but mainly we are focusing on the GIS map layers. So one by one we are moving to the next section, and this is about GIS. That we have done in the GIS, that we have written about the GIS, that and next to the image gallery. It's an offline image in which one by one we are showing that how we have work done in offline, like in Quantum GIS. What we have done, it's a software that we are creating offline images of map.
So friends, we are using a Quantum GIS software for manipulating and allocating the data, or we can also say that what are the attributes or what are the things which required to maintain of the railway GIS information system. Most probably this is the software we are showing here, and all the data which are we showing here we have allocated from the GIS map, or we can also say that it's a Google API which we are accessing the data from it. Most probably what we are doing, we are going to the view layer, we are adding a plugin called GIS. Mostly probably we can say that it's a Google Street. So we had a plugins called Google Street, and there we can go and get all the Google map. So when you are getting the Google map, we will search about what are the different attributes related to the railway platform or railway station. So what are the special things which are related to the railway platforms, like 500 meters right and 500 meters left to the railway platform. There are things like hospital, railway track, railway platforms, police stations and fire station. What are the necessary things which can be needed in the time of hazards, like something accident happens, some crimes happen. So what are the things which are needed to report freely or to maintain the situation, control the situation at a certain time? That things we are going to allocate.
So what we have done in Quantum GIS, that as a result we made these 3 layers for Indian Railway map: layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. In first layer, it's a station list, railway tracks, railway platforms, railway buildings, railway quarters. It's one by one we are seeing that it's on or off layer like. If we select the station list, it's disappear the all station list from the map. And then second, it's a railway track. If we select the railway tracks, it's disappear the all railway tracks. And if you select railway platform, then it also disappear the railway platform. And railway buildings, it disappear the railway buildings, and at last railway quarters. One if we select all, we can see there it's loading. So mainly it's required high speed internet, so it's taking time. One by one we are seeing there. This is the map for Delhi division we have created. Here we use the Google Map API. We can see over any attribute What are the attributes? These are the attributes. We can select any attribute on the map, and we can see the details of, if suppose this is the railway station, railway division, zone, and it's a lat long. So how we can show there in the map? Then it's look like see, there is a zooming bar. You can see there, and it's a search your place, like search engine. You can search any place within the database.
Now friends, we are going to the second layer. If you come to the second layer, we can see that the second layer we have made generally for the accidental attributes. Suppose some crime scene happens, some fireworks happens, some accidental things happen. Suppose the railway has been crashed or some machines has been dismanufactured. Suppose some machines is not working properly. So we need medical appearance, medical care, or some fire. If fire has begun, we need fire station. If some crime has happened, we need police station. According to that, what are the attributes we need when some accidental things happen or some crime happens? Those things we can see in the second layer. If you go to the second layer most, we can see that second layer, under the second layer, police station, fire station, hospital area, roads, everything's come under the second layer. Suppose crime has happened, some accidents happen, and most probably we can see that these colors. So these are the parameters, like you can see police station is blue, fire station is red. So each and every parameter we are given a color so that we can easily identify each and every parameters.
Now we are coming to the third layer. Third layer is a other control of GIS attribute. This in that attributes we have created water bodies, railway crossing, over bridges, pedestrian overpasses, and these are the parameter whatever located inside that map. So we have done we have done particular each and every attributes for each and every location. So first we have to check the first control water body. It will be disappear that water body, and then second we have to over click railway crossing. It will be also disappear, and then over bridges. It will be also disappear, and then pedestrian. And these are the parameter whatever we have done particular for attribute identification. First one is the water body, second one is a crossing, third one is a water bridge, fourth one is a pedestrian overpasses. Suppose we have to click on over the water bodies, it will be generate again that map whatever I have done. Second, railway crossing as previous, it will be also done. Same water bodies, water bridge, and another one pedestrian. Suppose we want to search particular any location, we have to click that. New Delhi. Search it. Now I am going to the search location of New Delhi railway station. I have searched, this is located in red colors. That is the location of New Delhi railway station. So whatever that attributes I got from the railway department, it should be adjustment of the railway.
So these are the attributes we have done in the Delhi railway station. You can see that we have location name New Delhi, Delhi, India, and we had also given the lat and log, what are the lat and longitude of the Indian railway assets. So these are all the details of the first, second and third layer. And now coming to the scope of the GIS. So what is the scope of the GIS most probably? So now we are coming to the scope of the GIS. So what are the scope of the GIS? So scope of the GIS are nothing but a software and hardware requirements which enable us to capture, monitor, store, and most probably to generate and manage all the data which we are collecting from the geospatial data, like what are the locations we are recording or what are the locations we are capturing from the railway station side by side. That data we can store in the Google API, and from that data we can take what are the necessary attributes or necessary things which are needed to check near the railway platform stations, which are needed to make us sure that what are the things we need to make the things we can say probably that if we are going to the railway station, what are the nearest railway platform we are going to take over, and some other attributes which we want to display on the website of the Google API. So this is all the things which are done out in the final year project. So thank you for visiting our site.
Finally, we find the result that we made it for the locating the point of interest nearby the 500 meter of railways area, like railways crossing, railway attributes like railway platform, railway area, and ATM. What are the coming in 500 area that we have to locate on the map, and its main purpose is to easily locate the railways attributes. So we made it for the Indian Railway, and that's why we are named as Indian Railway GIS map and Geospatial database of Indian Railway asset. So thank you very much for watching this. Thanks a lot.